Hello everyone, welcome back to Explain Cat. Today we are going to discuss about Polygon. So first of all, select plane, swipe, select front plane, sketch, normal. Now from here we can select Polygon command. If we require Polygon for construction type, then click on here. In perimeter, enter number of sides. So I select 6 number of sides and select inscribed circle. In inscribed circle, this circle formed inside the polygon, and in circumscribed circle the polygon creates inside the circle. Press right click, select option. From smart dimension, give it some diameter to circle. Let's give it 100 mm, and this one 102 mm. Okay. Again select polygon. Now I select 10 number of sides, and for construction click on first point, second point, select smart dimension. We can also give dimension to its side, 25 mm. Vertical, horizontal, vertical. This is the command of Polygon in Solidworks. Thanks for watching.